Replacing the filters in your AquaTru Model 1? Let's do this in 5 steps. You'll need new filters, drain tubing, and a 5-gallon bucket. Step 1. Turn off the water supply, or alternatively, unplug your Model 1. Then, remove the front cover by pushing it down and pulling it forward. Step 2. Rotate the old filters a quarter turn counterclockwise and remove. Then insert the new filters and turn clockwise. The manifold can swivel for easy access. Step 3. Insert the drain tubing into the flush valve, valve 2, and open the valve. Next, close the tank valve, valve 1. Make sure to direct the drain tubing into the 5-gallon bucket to catch the flushing water. Step 4. Turn on the water supply, or alternatively, plug in your Model 1. And flush until 2.5 gallons drain through the system. This will take about 30 minutes. Step 5. Open the tank valve, valve 1. Close the flush valve, valve 2, and remove the drain tubing. Dispense some water to let the system filter, and check for leaks before replacing the panel. Finally, reset your filter life indicator by pressing the lock and cold buttons for 5 seconds. For further assistance, scan the QR code on the inside of the front panel, or contact customer service.